Ever wondered if someone could sneak into your Beam wallet and drain it? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the security of Beam wallets and figuring out if your hard-earned Beam coins are truly safe. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency known for its strong emphasis on user anonymity. This anonymity, while a powerful tool for financial freedom, also raises questions about security. Can someone, without your knowledge or consent, withdraw funds from your Beam wallet? Let's break it down. Beam employs robust security measures to protect user funds. Here are some key aspects to consider. Private keys. The core of your Beam wallet security lies in your private keys. These are unique cryptographic codes that only you should possess. Think of it like your house keys. You wouldn't share your house keys with just anyone, right? Similarly, your private keys should be treated with the utmost care. Never share them with anyone, not even with friends, family, or customer support representatives. Store them securely. Use a hardware wallet, a secure password manager, or write them down and store them in a safe, offline location. Seed phrase. Your seed phrase is a backup of your private keys. Treat it like a valuable treasure. It allows you to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Store it securely and separately from your private keys. Two-factor authentication. 2FA Many Beam wallets offer 2FA, an extra layer of security that requires you to provide a code from your phone or authenticator app in addition to your password. Enable 2FA whenever possible. It significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access even if your password is compromised. Regular software updates. Keep your Beam wallet software updated with the latest security patches and bug fixes. Updates often include security enhancements. Staying up to date helps protect you from emerging threats. Now, let's explore some scenarios. Phishing attacks. Beware of phishing emails, messages, or websites that attempt to trick you into revealing your private keys or seed phrase. Never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. Always double-check the URL of the website you are visiting. Malware. Malicious software can infect your computer and steal your private keys. Use reputable antivirus and anti-malware software. Be cautious about downloading and installing software from untrusted sources. Social engineering. Skilled scammers may attempt to manipulate you into revealing sensitive information through social engineering tactics. Be wary of unsolicited requests for your private keys or seed phrase. Never share this information with anyone, no matter how convincing they may seem. Hardware wallet compromises. While considered highly secure, hardware wallets are not entirely immune to vulnerabilities. Always purchase hardware wallets from reputable manufacturers. Be cautious of counterfeit devices. Regularly update your hardware wallet's firmware. With proper security measures in place, the risk of someone withdrawing from your Beam wallet without your consent is significantly reduced. However, remember that cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay vigilant, stay informed about the latest threats, and prioritize the security of your Beam wallet and your private keys. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.